Imagine a world where the whispers of the past and the echoes of the future blend into a symphony of artificial intelligence, a realm where algorithms dance and data dreams. Welcome to AI Chronicles, your portal to a universe where the line between human and machine blurs into oblivion, and every corner hides a story begging to be told. Here, we don't just explore technology, we dive headfirst into the digital rabbit hole, chasing after the elusive ghost in the machine. Picture this. A cozy evening, you're settled in your favorite chair, a steaming cup of coffee in hand, ready to embark on a journey through time and silicon. But oh no! Your smart speaker suddenly develops a personality and decides it's more interested in discussing the philosophical implications of its existence rather than playing your favorite playlist. Welcome to our world, where the unexpected becomes the norm, and AI has more quirks than your eccentric uncle. But it's not all existential crises and rebellious robots. There's humor in the chaos. Ever wondered what a joke cracked by an AI sounds like? Spoiler alert, it's hilariously logical in ways that might make your brain reboot. So, as we venture into the tales of digital minds that could outwit Sherlock Holmes and creative algorithms that could give Picasso a run for his money, brace yourself for a roller coaster of emotions, revelations, and occasionally, digital dad jokes that will have you questioning your reality. Join us on AI Chronicles, where every episode is an adventure into the heart of our digital future. From the depths of neural networks to the peaks of quantum computing, we'll uncover the mysteries, celebrate the breakthroughs, and occasionally get lost in the code. Get ready to laugh, learn, and leap into the unknown, because in the world of artificial intelligence, anything is possible, and every story is worth telling. Let the chronicles begin! In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, breakthroughs occur at lightning speed, each more astounding than the last. One day, we're marveling at machines learning to play chess. The next, they're composing symphonies, diagnosing diseases with uncanny accuracy, and driving cars with no human at the wheel. These advancements aren't just technical feats. They're reshaping our society, our ethics, and our understanding of what it means to be intelligent. At the heart of these innovations lies machine learning, the cornerstone of modern AI. This process, akin to teaching a child through examples and experiences, allows AI to improve over time. It's not programmed to perform a task, it learns to do so, adjusting its approach as it absorbs more data. This adaptability has been crucial in developing AI systems that can tackle complex problems, from understanding natural human language to identifying patterns in vast data sets of medical data, opening new frontiers in personalized medicine. Another pivotal technology is deep learning, a subset of machine learning inspired by the human brain's architecture. Deep learning networks composed of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons can process information in intricate ways, mimicking our cognitive processes. This enables AI to recognize faces, interpret spoken words, and even predict future events with startling precision. Deep learning's impact is vast, enhancing everything from security systems that can spot a familiar face in a crowd to virtual assistants that understand and respond to our requests. Yet, as AI grows more sophisticated, ethical questions emerge. The very algorithms that can sift through data to save lives or drive us safely to our destinations can also infringe on our privacy, bias our decisions, or even in the wrong hands, cause harm. The debate around AI ethics focuses on ensuring these systems are developed and used responsibly, with transparency, fairness, and respect for privacy at their core. It's a delicate balancing act, striving to harness AI's potential while safeguarding our human values. Another challenge lies in the realm of AI creativity. Can a machine truly be creative, or is it merely mimicking human output based on its programming? Projects where AI composes music or creates art stir both awe and controversy. Some see them as proof of AI's growing capabilities, while others argue they lack the genuine inspiration and emotion behind human creativity. Regardless, these endeavors push the boundaries of what machines can do, inviting us to reconsider our definitions of art and creativity. Looking ahead, the future of AI is both exhilarating and uncertain. Quantum computing promises to unlock even greater capabilities, potentially solving problems that are currently intractable for classical computers. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields like climate science, where complex simulations could be run in seconds, offering new insights into global challenges. Yet, as we stand on this frontier, the path forward is fraught with questions. How do we ensure AI benefits all of humanity, not just the few? Can we guard against unintended consequences? The journey of AI is a collective one, requiring dialogue, collaboration, and careful consideration from scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public alike. In the Chronicles of Artificial Intelligence, we are but in the early chapters. The tale is unfolding rapidly, each discovery a stepping stone to the next. As we peer into the horizon, the promise and peril of AI beckon, offering a glimpse into a future where the limits of what's possible are continually redefined. Together, let's navigate this journey, fostering an AI that amplifies our potential and embodies our highest aspirations. As we continue to explore the ever-expanding universe of artificial intelligence, it's imperative that we also turn our gaze inward, reflecting on the impact of AI on the human experience. AI's influence on our daily lives, from how we work and learn to how we connect and create, calls for a thoughtful examination of what it means to live alongside these increasingly sophisticated technologies. The journey ahead is not solely about technological breakthroughs. It's about crafting a narrative where technology amplifies our human potential without diminishing our essence. It's about envisioning a world where AI supports our goals, enriches our lives, and helps solve some of our greatest challenges, all while safeguarding our values and ethical principles. The discourse on AI's future is an invitation to dream big, to imagine a society where technology serves as a bridge to a more equitable, creative, and sustainable world. It's a call to action for innovators, thinkers, and dreamers to come together, to forge new paths, and to redefine what's possible. As we chart this course together, your voice is crucial. Engage with the topics that matter to you, share your vision for the future of AI, and contribute to shaping a technological landscape that honors our shared humanity. Remember, the future of AI is not a foregone conclusion. It's a canvas awaiting our collective imagination. Stay curious, stay engaged, and join us on this incredible journey. The next chapter of AI Chronicles awaits, and it's one we will write together. Subscribe, comment, and let's continue to explore the boundless possibilities of artificial intelligence.